Image uploading guidelines for SPF claims. While uploading the images, there are some guidelines you must keep in mind. First, let us know about the image types. They are: shipping label pasted on secondary packaging of product, mandatory for all cases. Images covering all sides of the product. One complete product image, mandatory for all cases. Images capturing area of damage, brand and logo. Image of primary packaging from top and side view. Partial product received. If there is a pack of 5 and the seller receives 4 products in return, then the image of all 4 received products must be shown. IMEI serial number image. The image should have the IMEI serial number displayed on the mobile screen. Please dial *#06# to get the IMEI number displayed on the screen. Please ensure, for image requirements, keep in mind that shipping label is mandatory for all the cases: damaged products, wrong products, missing or empty packages, combo or set of products, and mobiles. For damaged products, you must have the product images from all sides, area of damage, brand and logo. For wrong product, product images from all sides. For missing products or an empty package, again, primary packaging with top and side view. Combo or set of products, you should have the product images from all sides. Image of area of damage, brand and logo. For mobiles, you should have the product images from all sides. Image of area of damage, brand and logo. While the mobiles should have primary packaging, top and side view, and image of IMEI serial number. For every claim raised, it is mandatory to attach the image of the shipping label and one complete image of the product received in return. Notes: in case you have received partial or some of the products for your combo or set of products, please submit the images of all the products received. The brand text, brand logo, design, color, and shape of the product that you ship to customers must exactly match the product listed on Flipkart.com. The image of that you submit to claim SPF should be correct and should be of the received shipment in question. And this is how you can claim the SPF. Thank you for watching. For more information, wait for your next video. Please subscribe to our channel for more process videos.